Hello, in front of me I've got iPad mini 4. Today I'll show you all display settings. Let's enter settings, tap on display and brightness, and as you can see right here, you can change between light and dark theme and set it automatic. Also you can schedule it. Then you can change brightness level, turn on night shift, change color temperature, you can set auto lock between 2 minutes, 15 minutes and never. Also you can change text size and you can bold text. And that's all. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.